to my house. As you guys can tell by the title, this is a Camaro video. I haven't posted as much as I'd like to. We've had a few things come up. It's kind of delayed a lot of things. We are in a new vehicle. Bought this for the old wife. It's a, I'll show you guys in a little bit. It is actually a Toyota 4Runner. I'll show you guys more here in a little once we get to the house, but I'm heading to the house now, and I'll see you guys up there. All right, so previous video, we did a like challenge, 40,000 likes, and I would do a huge burnout in front of my house. More than likely, I'd get kicked out of the neighborhood. It didn't hit the like challenge goal, but it hit 15,000. So I'm gonna let you guys redeem yourself. 15,000 likes on this video in 2 weeks, and I will do a huge burnout in front of my house. A lot of you guys were saying I give car guys a bad rap. Trust me, if you knew this whole situation, you guys would be on my side. Just do a little bit more research into my channel on when this whole neighbor situation started, and I can assure you it wasn't me, okay? It's actually crazy that I have to even explain this, but I do get it. A lot of you guys haven't been subscribed for a long time and probably don't know the whole situation, but do me a favor, go watch those videos and then come back. But anyways, other than that, this is an awesome video. We found a few things that aren't the best. Unfortunately, we ran into some things on the Camaro that are a lot worse than I expected. It's just going to create a lot more work, but it's I got a few decisions to make with it. I'm going to let you guys decide, so don't go anywhere. 15,000 likes on this video, we'll do the huge burnout in front of my house, and towards the end I want to hear you guys' input on this whole situation, because I know a lot of you guys know a lot more about this car than I do. So yeah, I appreciate all the input, and let's get on with the video. But like I said, do not go anywhere. I have some huge news I'm going to kind of go over towards the end of this video. I think a lot of you guys are going to absolutely love it, because it seems like a lot of you guys are big Camaro fans. And I think this would be a really cool idea. Makes you guys more involved in this. You guys are the reason I even do this kind of stuff. So I want you guys to be a part of this just as much as I am. So before we get any further in today's video, I want to say a huge thank you to today's sponsor, Hone Health. Hone helps men get testing and treatment for low testosterone levels with real physicians, real science, real FDA approved methods of treatment. A lot of people don't realize is testosterone is not just a sex hormone. It affects a lot of different things. And if you can optimize your testosterone, you can increase energy, increase focus, increase muscle mass, your mood. Like, there's all types of benefits to making sure your testosterone levels are where they should be. And the best way to know if you need to optimize your testosterone levels is to get tested. Hone allows you to do that from the comfort of your own home with these at-home, easy-to-use assessment tests. What I didn't realize is, and it's crazy how much it affects everyone's daily life, there's 30 million men in the United States that deal with low testosterone levels. And for someone like me that's outside a lot, editing and working on trucks, and unfortunately I've dealt with some weight gain over the past couple of years, and I'm sure it can be a little bit of everything. Eating bad, low energy, things of that nature. I'm not too sure if I have low testosterone levels or if they're good or not. If I can increase my energy, my focus, and my mood, and lose weight, to me it's worth giving it a shot. But Hone Health will tell me that. I'm not a medical expert, they are. So if you feel like any of those things can benefit you, order Hone's at-home assessment test today and learn more about your testosterone levels. Limited time only, viewers get the at-home assessment and a doctor consultation for only $45. The link in the description below, or go to honehealth.com/Bertrand850 to take advantage now. Big shout out to Hone Health for sponsoring today's video. All right, guys, we are here in the car. I think it's one of those deals where, like, I don't know what's the best spot to start at. Under these seats is a little rough. There's some rust that's gonna have to be taken care of. I think you can just buy like correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you can just, here, let me pull it up, I'll show you. There's definitely some good bit of rust under here, which is not a huge deal. Good bit of rust. I think you can just buy like the back seat like pans for it to replace it. This side's still got some rust too. Not as bad, not near as bad as this side. I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna pull out both the seats, because they are not, both front seats, they are not in here very good. The driver's seat's a little bit better than this one, but look at, I already pulled this one. This was finger tight. So is this one. So this one might be ready. No, this thing's ready to come out. You gotta pull out these. Alright, put these back. This ain't horrible. That ain't good. I think I should do new carpeting. This is not good. Not horrible. But might as well. Under there ain't bad, honestly. Alright, so this video we are literally just gonna start gutting this thing. We're gonna pull these seats out. We're gonna, I don't know if we'll get to the dash, because I don't feel like wiring right now. But we are going to at least get the carpeting out. Carpeting out, and then I'm going to vacuum most of this out, throw this carpet away, order new carpet, and this video will basically just be kind of a rundown on what it's gonna need. I already got a lot of the parts in the house right now. Door panels, new dash I already have, it's in the house. Hardware kits for the inside. Of course, I got the shifter housing there, the B&M mega shifter housing. I kind of just test fit that. It's gonna need some modifications to fit perfectly. It's a little bit too tall. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the rear seats out. I'm probably just gonna cut. I'm gonna cut like right here because it seems like it's glued on here. It's not glued right here. So I'm gonna cut that section out where it's glued, get everything else out of the way, and then I'll pull that off once the seats are up. Although, I don't know. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna pull the rear seats up, and we're gonna get all of it out. So get this out. I'm just take all the cluttery stuff out of here. Like this stuff, I don't know if I'm gonna use any of this stuff though. Yeah, throw it in here. This is for up here. That one, that's metal. That goes right there on the pillar. Oh, that's rough. Jeez. I can stay. Yeah. That. Alright, this is actually a decent cold start here. It's actually like 40 out. It's really cold. I haven't started in like a week. Don't go anywhere. I got a few things I want to explain. I think a lot of you guys are going to like this, especially if you are here for the Camaro. Make sure you comment down below. I want to hear every one of you guys input on this. If you have any experience with this kind of stuff, like body work, whatever it may be, you know, dealing with rust. So I want to go over this real quick. I kind of went on over it a little bit earlier, but I found some things doing some research. They actually make like a full replacement for the back seat. So I guess you just cut out this, you use like the new piece like a template, cut out and then weld in. It goes actually over that, over to the other side, so that'll take care of both sides. And then they also make like a full section here where it takes up from literally here all the way over to there. This is where the worst of the rust is, right in that corner and right here, and of course right there. So do that, and then right behind the driver's seat has some rust. Not horrible, but I want to take care of it and get that done. And then I think what we're gonna do is coat it, and I want you guys to help me with that. I don't know what I should do to coat this and kind of seal it so it doesn't rust in the future. Do I use the Steel It coating? Do I use, you know, a Raptor liner? Do I use POR 15? Whatever. Let me know, because I know these cars, like, no matter how good you have the weather stripping and all that, they do seem to leak pretty easily. You know, water does find its way. You know, it's not a mint condition car anyways, but I know water does seem to find its way in here relatively easy, as you can tell. So I want to take care of that. If it does leak, the water will eventually just evaporate, and, you know, and the POR 15 or whatever coating it is holds it there. So let me know down below on that. I would love to hear from you guys. DM me on Instagram even, but YouTube, I read every comment, so definitely do that. Things I have already ordered and are at the house already. The new dash is here. It is in the house right now. New dash. And both brand new door panels. National Parts Depot. I'll show you guys in the next video probably. The top sections. Waiting on the rest of like the hardware and stuff for like this and everything. The lower sections I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna use this piece as there's a template, and I'm gonna do aluminum. Probably just do black aluminum for the lower half and call it good on that. I want you guys to be a part of this build more than any other one, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's kind of my idea, and I'm excited. I'm really excited for that because it's kind of cool. Let you guys kind of run the show. We're gonna have people. We'll have a lot of you guys vote. So leave a comment down below. What color should we go with this car? Should we wrap it black? Generally, what should we do? And I want to hear from you guys. Do we replace the front fenders? Do a new hood? Let me know. I really want to know. Wheels and tires, all of that. Do I get rid of this headliner? It needs to be pulled down either way. I want to hear from you guys. I want you guys to be a part of this build just as much as me. So I'm super excited to be doing that. So, but yeah, that is going to do it, guys. Be on the lookout for the next video. I'm going to be posting a lot more frequently, not every 2 weeks, it seems like. Yeah, I'm super excited about this, and it's definitely a nice change of pace on the channel. So yeah, that is going to do it. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, give it a like. If you want me to do that burnout still, give this video a like, and I will see you guys next time.